Hi friends, this is Sumalata Kulkarni. Welcome to Sumanyu'z Food Lab. Today I am going to make a masala vada recipe. Firstly, wash and soak chana dal for 2 to 3 hours. Then drain the water completely and put it into a mixie jar. Don't add water while grinding the dal. Now add few garlic cloves to it and grind it like a coarse texture. Now transfer this mixture into a mixing bowl and add one finely chopped onion to it and chopped coriander leaves to it and few curry leaves and 2 tablespoons of freshly grated coconut and grated ginger and 2 chopped green chilies I have added here and 1 teaspoon of salt. So mix it well together. The mixture should not be too thick or too thin. Now apply teaspoon of oil to your palm and take a small proportion from a mixture and slightly flatten it between your palm. Now arrange them in a plate for a deep fry. Now heat oil in a kadai and add few vadas in a batch wise. Deep fry them till golden brown color. Chana dal helps to maintain good cholesterol levels and rich in a B complex vitamin, and it is a great source of a dietary fiber and which aids in a digestion and helps in weight loss also. Now gently flip on other side and fry it. Masala vada is a healthy option for the snack time. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit a bell icon. Thank you for watching.